Hi, my name is Tom and welcome at Expivi. I'm going to be your instructor for today, and if you have any questions at the end of the video, please ask us. We are happy to help. You can find our information right here. In this lesson, I'm going to explain you a bit more about the Expivi backend. Before I start, I'm going to explain you the difference between frontend and backend. The frontend is the client side of software. So in this case, this is the frontend, so everything the clients get to see. So for example, the UI, all the options, the 3D model, this is all the frontend. The backend is the system inside of Expivi where you as a user add all the functionality to your configurator. The Expivi backend also has a testing environment. If you go into your product and go to the preview tab, you can have a test view of what your product is going to look like. This is an exact same view of what the client gets to see once you put your product online. So before you put your product onto your website, you can play around in the Expivi backend without any of your customers seeing it. Make mistakes is no problem, everything is fixable, and the more you play around with all the functions, the more you get to know the Expivi backend. So to conclude this video, I showed you the front end of Expivi. So this is the part your client will get to see. The backend of Expivi, the part where you add your products, add all your components, and you can play around without customers seeing it. And I also showed you the preview in which you can just test everything you created and check on your work so far. Thank you for following along in this lesson, and I hope to see you in the next one.